Hi everyone, and welcome to Makeup with Addie. So today I want to try something. I don't know if it's gonna work. I haven't tried it, but I got this picture of Naomi John off Instagram, and this makeup is fire. I have to try it. So I don't know if it's gonna work. We'll see. Anyway, let's jump right into it, shall we? Okay, I'm gonna start off by priming my eyelids with the Sephora Tinted and Cooling Eye Primer in the shade Matte Beige. As you can see, I went out past my eyebrows with the primer simply because of the shape of the eyeshadow. It's got that wing. So you want to make sure that you prime all the way to the sides here, otherwise the makeup is going to fade or move or smudge or, you know, all those little things that happens when you don't use a proper primer. Okay, so I'm going to start with yellow from my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to be using this bright yellow here. And I'm going to put that on the inner corners of my eyelids. Just in and above the crease, or where I want the crease to be. So for this, I'm going to use a fluffy brush. So I noticed that this isn't really showing up on camera so much. I'm sorry about that, guys. The weather is really doom and gloom today, and my lighting is a little poo. But I mean, I think it's good enough. You can see it. Anyway, let's continue. Okay, so I'm just gonna switch colors. Using the same brush, I am going to add this incredibly vibrant orange from my Connie Transform palette. Right, I'm going to dip into this very, very lightly because it is incredibly pigmented and I don't want it to overpower the yellow. So a tiny, tiny bit, and then I'll be blending this into the yellow at the top. Okay, so now that it's blended nicely, I'm going to add red. I'll be using the red from my 35 color matte crown palette. So I'll be taking this red right here and blending that into the orange and out past my eyebrow here for the wing shape. Once you're satisfied with your blend, it's time for the cut crease. So I'm using the Essence Camouflage Plus Matte Concealer in the shade 10 Light Rose. Just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand so that I don't end up using too much product. And just dipping into it with the tip of my flat brush, so that I can first just map out exactly where I want my cut crease to be. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to do the same thing on the other eye quickly. Be right back. Man, this looks beyond cool. I'm so impressed with myself right now. I didn't think I was going to be able to do this, but see, practice makes perfect. Okay, what's next? Okay, so next I'll be taking this white from my crown palette and putting it right on top of this wing cut crease I just made. Using, why do I close it? Using a flat brush. I'm am so in love with this look. It's just so pretty. Okay, well, so she's wearing red eyeliner in this picture. I didn't have any of that. So I'm just going to take my eyeshadow with an angled brush, eyeliner brush, and some setting spray, if I can find some. I'm gonna wet my brush with some setting spray, dip it into the red eyeshadow that I used at the top here, and do a little winged line with that. Hopefully it works. Otherwise I'll just go over it with eyeliner and change it a bit. Alright, so I'm just going to do my face off camera quickly. Be right back. I'm back. Look at these brows. They're huge. I couldn't find my pomade and I had to use a powder and... well, you know, I kind of like it. Whatever. So... okay, for the lower lash line, I'm going to do green, blue, and purple. I think that would all be in my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Yes, okay. I'm gonna use this green here, then this blue and this purple. And I'm going to put that green, blue, purple on my lower lash line with a tiny fluffy brush. These colors are just so pretty. Oh my word. Okay, I'm gonna stick on some lashes quickly off camera, so don't go anywhere. So that took longer than I cared to admit, but they're on. Okay, now for the lippy. I'm going to use this lip liner that I've had for like 5 years. It's Revolution Duo Lip Pencil in the shade number 8 Rio. It's all this shit, but it works, so what is. And then Avon lipstick in the shade Mauve Matters. Mauve, however you pronounce it. I don't know. Pretty pink. And there we go. That's the finished look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your notifications to be notified every time I post a video, which is hopefully every Wednesday, unless I can't for some reason. Oh yeah, I was thinking of next week doing a skincare video to show my morning and evening routines. If that's something you guys would be interested in, please let me know. So, yep, I have nothing else to say. Have a nice day. Bye.